to contain Omicron. Dr. Fauci says he's encouraged by early studies finding boosters are effective against the new variant, but new COVID cases and hospitalizations are on the rise across the country. Whit Johnson starts us off. Good morning, Whit.
George, good morning. The CDC director says more than 40 people have been infected with Omicron in the U.S. so far. More than 3/4 of them were vaccinated. Almost all of the cases have been mild, raising new questions about what efforts might be needed to fight this new variant right now and in the future. This morning, Pfizer CEO saying in addition to a booster, a fourth vaccine dose might eventually be necessary to fight the Omicron variant. When we see real-world data, we'll determine if the Omicron is well covered by the third dose and for how long. And at a certain point, I think we will need the fourth dose. But many health experts insist it's still too early to know if that extra dose will be needed. Bourla's comments coming on the heels of early data suggesting 2 shots plus the booster appear to stand up against Omicron.
When you get that third shot boost, it dramatically increases the level of laboratory projected protection. This is good news about the booster protection. The Omicron variant now detected in at least 22 states. Our Dr. Jen Ashton getting rare exclusive access inside the CDC's Emergency Operations Center.
This is like the impact of vaccination.
Meeting with CDC Director Dr. Rochelle Walensky, where scientists are tracking highly contagious variants like Omicron.
When people hear more transmissible but looks less severe, how that is still a massive concern just based on sheer numbers.
If we have a much more transmissible variant, you end up with a much larger population of people with disease, and then even small amounts of that very large population that end up in hospital, you end up with a real crisis at the hospitalization level and potentially lots of poor outcomes.
This as another winter surge fueled by the Delta variant begins to take hold. At least 31 states and D.C. seeing an increase in hospital admissions. The U.S. now reporting more than 117,000 cases each day, a jump of nearly 83% since late October. States like New Hampshire, Maine, and Wisconsin deploying the National Guard to ease the strain. Hospitalizations in Connecticut more than doubling in the last month.
100% of our patients who are admitted to the hospital at Greenwich Hospital, 100% are unvaccinated
100%
right now, today. Every day, it's a little bit like going into battle, and we recognize that this is not over yet.
Now, the CDC director confirmed to our Dr. Jen Ashton that they are considering whether to change the definition of fully vaccinated from 2 shots to 3 shots. For now, it's going to stay the way it is. But Dr. Anthony Fauci said, in his opinion, it's a matter of when, not if, that change happens. TJ?
All right, Whit, thank you so much for that.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.